show you guys how I touch up my color at home, and I create this nice pretty copper orangey reddish kind of color. If you wanted to see that, just continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So I'm going to go in first with the Matrix Insta Cure, and this is just going to help balance out the porosity in my hair so that way I can ensure a nice even lift. Now with the K18 hair mist, this is actually going to protect my hair. It's going to repair any damage that may already be there and just basically prep my hair to take on color. Now for the color line, I'm actually using one of my favorites, Pravana, and I'm using both their 7cc's, and then I'm going to go on with just a little bit of 7G just for that chef kiss on the end, and I'm using 30 volume developer. Now with their Chromasilk Vivids line, this is a direct dye, so you don't need any developer, and I'm using shade orange. Now this last step just helps kind of tie my color in together, and I'm using an all over gloss by Redken Creme in 7C with their gloss to gel processing solution. You're going to need a brush, bowl, of course gloves, and then lastly some hair clips. I know that was a lot, but this is going to be the difference between your color and the girl next to you. Okay, so first I'm going to analyze my new growth. I'm going to see how much I have and how I need to pretty much go into it. So as you can see, I have quite a bit of new growth. So I'm going to make sure I'm just working at the mid shaft of my hair, not overlapping what's already colored. And then I'm going to go in at my roots. You're only going to start with the new growth closest to your scalp when that's all you have to color really. When you have quite a bit like I do, you're going to start towards the middle and then work your way to the scalp. Because your body heat causes the color to process faster, when you start there at your root area and then work your way down, it can cause your roots to be a lot brighter than everything else, which is called hot roots. We do not want that. So we are going to start in the middle section, and then we'll go back and then work our way to the scalp. As you can see, it's already starting to change. This is why we do not start at our roots, because we will have hot roots. I'm going to drag the rest of that color down, making sure that I am saturating all of my hair, because saturation is key when it comes to color. Again, saturation is key when it comes to color. Make sure that your hair is saturated all over. And this is what I'm left with after rinsing all my color out. So I'm going to go in with that direct dye straight from the tube in the shade orange. And this is just going to give me more of an orangey look because I love orange. I really want it to pop and stand out. I want that orange color. So if you don't want that, you can skip this, but I do. So I'm using that. I'm letting it sit in for 10 minutes. And as we can see, this is what it looks like. So I have one more thing, so be patient. One more. I'm going to go on with the Redken Creme in the 7C Curry. This is also going to help that orange color kind of pop for me. And then I'm going to let that sit. Then I'm going to go in with the K18 Repair Mask, which is part 2 of the mist. I'm going to emulsify that in my hands, apply it all over, let it sit for 4 minutes. And I want you guys to see the magic that's going to happen with my curls with using this product. Look at that. Look at my curls. Oh my gosh, they are popping. K18 is the best. So I went ahead and pressed my hair out, gave myself a trim, and look at that. I love my color. That gold gives a nice richness to my copper. So this is how my color looks in the natural lighting. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, if you liked that video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so that way you can be alerted every single time that I post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.